Hello Eagles, my name is Valerie, graduating class of 2011, Beacon Set. I'd like to tell you about my recent decision to improve myself. As a Covenant University graduate, it wasn't difficult to get a job. However, I kept looking for meaning and that deep satisfaction that comes with growing and evolving. Years went by and I continued to earn a living, but I wasn't quite living as I wasn't learning. Yes, there were many new experiences and exposures even, but so many opportunities were lost and I stayed stuck, unable to really soar. Fast forward to when I was introduced to Certification Edge. For the first time in a very long time, I found opportunities and possibilities locally and internationally, and I could do this whether as an employee or as an entrepreneur. That decision to learn and get certified changed my whole life forever. It gave me new zeal to life, and I can confidently say I'm not the same person I was all those years ago. Isn't that the whole essence of life? To keep growing and reaching desired heights? Well, I did it. I chose to make that change, and I took that step. I'm here to say that you too can, and indeed should. Kindly recommend friends who are interested in getting global certifications in business analysis, human resources, and project management within 6 weeks. Yes, 6 weeks. Want to know more? Call 0817-813-7777 or follow on Instagram at SearchEdgeTrain. Soar higher with Certification Edge.